Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a review on a website called Hairinbeauty. I just received my package today. It came in this DHL Express bag. Then the hair came in this purple bag. And this is here with the tie still on it. I got 22-inch. Two 22 inches and two 24 inches for $127, which you can't beat that. And it's so nice because when you order for them, they send you a pair of free eyelashes. Yay. So yeah, the hair is, it don't have a smell to it at all whatsoever. It's nice, it's silky, but I'm gonna get it installed one day this week or next week, and I will come back and show you how the hair look when it's installed. And yeah, but so far I like the hair. It's really nice. It's really soft and silky. And so this is the 24 inch, which I guess they don't give you too much of the 24 inch because it's a long inch, but the 22 inch is pretty thick compared to the 24 inch. But yeah, this is the hair. This is the hair, guys. This is the hair. It's so lovely. I can't wait to get it installed. But yeah, but that is the hair. It came within like 4 to 5 business days. And yeah. So I was really skeptical about ordering from this website because I was like, I don't see that many reviews. I tried looking on YouTube. I didn't see that many people doing reviews on this hair. So I was like, wow, when I get my hair, I'm going to do a review on it. But yeah, I like it. It's a legit website. And yeah, so I can't wait to see how I look when it's installed in my head, which I look a hot mess right now. But yeah, that's the hair, and hopefully I love it, and I will keep ordering for them because it's very reasonable, you guys. About two 22 inches, two 24 inches for $127, which you cannot beat that at all whatsoever. So yes, so it is a real website. You do get your hair. So yeah, so I just can't wait to get it installed in to see how it looks. So okay, bye everyone, see ya.